Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add inline comments in Confluence Cloud in just a few simple steps. First, click the Edit button at the top right of your page to open Edit mode. Once the toolbar loads and your page content appears, click and drag to select the text you want to comment on. In this example, I'm selecting the problem statement section. A menu appears above your selected text with two options. Click Comment to open the comment box. Type your comment in the box that appears. For this example, I'm typing, "Can we clarify this section further?" Then click the Add button to post it. Your comment now appears in the thread next to the highlighted text. Click Update in the top right to publish your changes, and the page shows your updated content with the inline comment visible. Your highlighted text stays marked with a comment indicator even after you publish, so anyone viewing the page can see there's a discussion attached to that section. If you need to edit or delete your comment later, just click the highlighted text again to reopen the comment thread. Only people with edit access to the page can add inline comments, so viewers won't be able to leave comments this way. Inline comments are great for collaborating on drafts without cluttering the main page content. They keep feedback contextual and easy to resolve. And that's how to add inline comments in Confluence Cloud. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.